Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, absolutely gorgeous conditions out there this morning with clear skies and cool fall-like temperatures. We're going to continue to see those clear skies through the remainder of the day and very nice weather setting up for us on this Halloween, October 31st. Looking at conditions from yesterday, we saw temperatures generally running in the upper 50s to around 60 degrees for daytime highs. 60 degrees, the daytime high reading at both Norfolk and Washington, D.C. We made it up to 57 degrees here at Wallops. Then overnight, last night, saw temperatures dropping into the 40s for most locations. The exception here is Baltimore, making it into the upper 30s with an overnight reading at 38 degrees. We made it down to 47 degrees at Wallops. No measurable precipitation over the last 24 hours as high pressure has moved into the region, providing dry conditions for us, which will continue for the next couple of days with really only a slight chance of any kind of precipitation throughout the remainder of the week. As of 9 a.m., temperatures running in the low 50s in the Wallops region, up to 54 degrees as of 9 a.m. under sunny skies. Looking at our upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release, we see the winds generally out of a westerly direction from the 1,000 foot level all the way up to 25,000 feet, where those winds turn west-southwesterly in direction and increase up to 62 knots at the 25,000 foot level. Freezing level is at 10,500 feet. Looking at our surface analysis, you can see a frontal boundary very weak is draped across the Delmarva Peninsula, and that will continue to move off to the south and east as we go through the day today, really not bringing any significant weather impacts to us here at Wallops. But we will see high pressure building in from the north as that frontal boundary slips south of the region later this evening, and that area of high pressure will provide us with more of a north to northeasterly wind flow and eventually an easterly wind flow as we go through the morning hours of Wednesday, which will provide an increase in cloudiness for us as we go through the middle of the week. Taking a look at our radar satellite composite, really nothing to be concerned with as far as precipitation goes today. We will stay dry with mostly clear skies continuing. And then as we go and look at our forecast maps for the next couple of days, you can see where this frontal boundary will continue to push off to the south later this evening. And then we'll see an increase in some cloudiness during the day on Wednesday as that high pressure builds in from the north and we see more of an easterly wind flow. Mostly cloudy conditions expected throughout the day on Wednesday, but eventually we'll see this frontal boundary return north as a warm front as we go into the Wednesday evening period, which will increase our moisture and bring us just a very slight chance of a light rain shower or a sprinkle as we go into the Wednesday night, Thursday morning time frame. So not looking at anything significant as far as precipitation goes, but a very slight chance of a few sprinkles occurring during that Wednesday night, Thursday morning time frame. Looking into the daytime on Thursday, we'll see mostly cloudy skies becoming partly cloudy during the afternoon and evening of Thursday, with warmer temperatures building back into the region by the end of the week as well. Looking at high temperatures back into the 70s for both Thursday and Friday, with pretty nice conditions, much warmer than what we usually see for the beginning of November as we go into the end of this work week. So taking a look at the next 24 hours and what we can expect as far as temperatures go, looking at high temperatures today maxing out in the mid 60s and then starting to cool off pretty quickly as we go into the evening hours. We'll see mostly clear skies during the early evening hours tonight with those temperatures falling into the mid 40s. Looks like we'll make it down to about 46 degrees right around midnight tonight, and then we'll actually see more cloud cover after midnight and a little bit of an increase in our easterly wind speed as well, up to around 6 to 12 knots by early tomorrow morning. So those temperatures will likely rise a couple degrees before sunrise tomorrow morning, and we'll likely see our overnight low temperature right around midnight tonight. Tides are currently running normal, and again we'll see mostly clear skies continuing through the day today with just a little bit of high-level cirrus cloudiness expected out there later this evening before we start to see some of the lower level cloudiness build into the region after midnight tonight. By tomorrow morning, waking up at a couple of lower level decks of clouds around 35 to 5,000 feet, and they should be scattered with a broken deck at 25,000 feet by tomorrow morning. Looking at our forecast for Wednesday, expect mostly cloudy skies with a high temperature of 66 degrees And as we go into Wednesday evening, that'll be the opportunity for a light sprinkle or rain shower. Again, just a very slight chance of that occurring Wednesday night. It'll be pretty mild as well with a overnight low temperature of 59 degrees. And as we go into Thursday morning, mostly cloudy skies continuing, that slight chance of a light rain shower during the morning hours of Thursday, with skies becoming partly cloudy during the afternoon, and very warm conditions expected as well with a daytime high of 74 degrees. We're looking at our extended outlook, seeing warming temperatures as we go through the week. Pretty similar temperature-wise for our forecast for Wednesday as what we'll see today, with temperatures in the mid-60s. And then as we get into Thursday and Friday, we'll really start to see temperatures warming up into the mid-70s before temperatures fall back to more seasonal readings on Saturday and Sunday, with highs in the mid-60s. We'll see a frontal boundary approach the region on Sunday, but right now not looking very impressive as far as the moisture along that front, so keeping it dry currently for Sunday and Monday, with just a very slight chance of a light rain shower or two as that frontal boundary moves across the region. That'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at both 8:15 and at 10 a.m. for your Wallops weather briefings. Have a nice day.